Is loading utensils into a dishwasher becoming a knife through the heart of your marriage? Is the bond between you and your mate disintegrating faster than a plastic container on the bottom of a dishwasher? My name is Dahlia, and I'm the dishwashing marriage counselor. These days, married couples argue about many different things. In fact, a recent survey found 40% of Americans fight about loading the dishwasher. We here at Bosch are coming clean about the top 5 reasons your dishwasher may be causing tension in your marriage. My marriage saving advice: scrape away the large pieces of food, then load the dishes as is. For busy nights that yield more dishes than can fit into a standard load, a half load option on Bosch dishwashers can tackle an additional smaller load so you can avoid another fight about finishing chores before bedtime. The final verdict in the utensil loading dispute is to load knives point down for safety, while forks and spoons can be placed either handle up or down. A third rack on the Bosch 800 Plus dishwasher separates utensils to make them even easier to clean. Get the best results and keep your fingers intact by loading your dishwasher the right way. Keeping plates and cups separated will make it easier to avoid another clash, putting the dishes away in their proper spot. If ruining plastic containers has plagued your marriage, Bosch has the solution. A concealed flow-through water heating element on all Bosch dishwashers prevents plastic from dissolving to stop another battle before it starts. With a little simple planning, you and your spouse can avoid the dreaded dishwasher debacle. As the quietest, most efficient dishwasher brand in North America, I know Bosch is German engineered to bring peace and quiet to the home. Just as J.D. Power and Associates have ranked Bosch #1 in customer satisfaction, we aim to satisfy your needs in the kitchen. Can we help you find marital bliss in the kitchen? For more information about how Bosch dishwashers can help save your marriage, be sure to visit us at www.bosch-home.com/US.